In this video, we will quickly see how to make 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And this is the advanced video just to go really quickly and not explain everything. So if you starting doing those cubes, I invite you to take a look at the video just right here. I'll go in detail. So first step is to do the cross. So for that, what I like personally to do is to bring all the white piece at the bottom. I like to build the cross at the bottom. This way I don't have to care about the color. I just bring them at the bottom, and then I go on the side, and then I just align green with green and do a counter, a 180 degree turn. So red, bring it with red, half turn, orange. There we go. We've got the cross on top and it's aligned with every color. Then we need to bring the corner here. So I pick anyone that have a white at the bottom, and here we've got red and green. So I just bring it over the corner where I have red and green, and then I replace it to go on top. Then I've got another one, red and blue right here. There we go. And then there is one here, so it's blue and orange right here. And the final one, orange and green. There we go. Now I've got the top that is made, and I got it with the T for all of them. Then we flip to the other side, and we want to build the middle layer. So we were looking for any cube here that doesn't have yellow. Just like this one, I've got green here, I bring it over green. Then I've got orange here, orange is here, so I bring it to the reverse side or the other side, and I do that algorithm. So I just place it. Then move to another one. I've got red here, blue here, opposite side, and do the algorithm. There we go. Then blue, all right, orange is here, bring it to the other side. All right, and red, green here, opposite side. And there we go. I've built the middle layer. Then we want to create the cross on top. Actually, we are lucky because it's already done. So let's suppose it's not. The worst case you can have is this one. So you have that little L shape over here. You want to bring it to the top and the left. Not like this, not like this, really like this. From here, you do that little movement. So you take the face, bring it on the side, and do the algorithm. So because we had a cross, we need to do that 2 times. The other case you can have is the line. So if you've got a line, you bring it in that direction in front of you, horizontally. So we're gonna do that one more time. When we bring it up, we've got the cross over here. Then we need to align the cube over here with the middle one right there. So can we turn it in a way? You see now we've got green, we've got green and blue. So from there, it's like the worst case we can have, only 2. You pull that up, move one there, bring that down, move again on top, move it up, and repair the white, move it down. From here, if we do a counterclockwise, we should have 2 colors that now match, and this is blue and orange right now. So when you've got 2 colors that match, that are side to side, you bring the good one on the right and the other good one at the back, and you do the very same movement. So bring it up, break the white, bring it down, move it, bring it up, and repair the white, move it down. Then you can do a last turn over here, and then all the color match. Then we will need to place the corner at the right position. So actually you can see we have one that is good because blue and red are good. And well, actually this one is good too, meaning that all of the cubes are good. I'll explain this. This one is good. It's maybe not as good as this one, but it's good because it's green and green and orange and orange. So it's at the right position, but not in the right orientation. So if that wasn't good, what you need to do, let's say that I break it, the only thing you want to have is one good. Now the one that is good is the red, green, green, orange, orange. So I keep it here. As you can see, there is no blue here, there is no orange here, so they are all wrong except this one. The one that is good, you take it in front of you on the right and you do this algorithm. So now that moves those three. So is there a blue here? No. So we do that again. So move on top, up the white, break the white, take the other white up, repair the white on the right, and take it down, repair the white on the left, and take it down. Is it good now? Yes, I've got red, red, green, green. So now all of those are good. When this is good, you take it on the other side. You take the first corner that doesn't have yellow at the bottom, and you do that algorithm until you get the yellow. So the algorithm go as follow, up, 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 up. Is there yellow? No, so you do that again, and again, and again, until you got yellow. Then you keep that face up to you, and you move the bottom until you got no yellow at the bottom. And you do the algorithm again, and there you've got your Rubik's Cube solved.